Good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor Khemnar MS, Arsul Technical Campus. Okay, we are discussing new subject, decision science, and first chapter is Introduction to Decision Science and Linear Programming Problem. Okay, which type of linear programming problem? Decision science, linear programming problem, transportations model, assessment model. In this topic, discussed in the chapter. Okay. Second one is introduction is decision science. Okay. This discipline of decision science is concerned with the study and application of various data analysis, modeling and optimization tools and techniques. There are useful in the real world decision making situation in various area of management. Okay, it cover a wide range of topic including statistical tool and model, mathematical programming including linear, integer and non-linear programming, combinational optimization models based on fuzzy cells and systems. Okay, and the simulation model. These models find useful application in such wide-ranging areas as production and operation management, distributions and logistics, marketing, research and financial modeling. This called is decision science. Second one is decision science. Okay, decision science, also called management science or operation research, is an approach to decision making which utilizes extensively quantitative analysis. Student training to become managers who work in or interact with the service and or the manufacturing industries need to know how managers can solve path simple and complex problem using mathematical model. Okay, statistic is the study of strategy for decision making under condition of uncertainty in such a way as to maximize the expected utility is called as the decision science. Okay, what is the decision science meaning? The area of decision science including risk management, decision making under uncertainty, statistic and forecasting, operation research, negotiations and actions analysis, and behavior decision theory. Okay, this called is decision science. Second thing is the definition of decision science. Okay, GDH classes. Okay, decision science is the discipline that is concerned with the development and application of quantitative method and techniques to support decision making process. Okay, second one is role of quantitative techniques in decision science. Quantitative techniques are those statistical and operation research techniques which help in the decision making process, especially concerning business and industry. Those techniques which provide the decision makers and systemic means of analysis based on the quantitative data in formulating policy for achieving predetermined goals. These techniques greatly help in handling the many complex problems. The role can be understood. Okay, first role is as tool. What is the as tool? They provide a tool for scientific analysis. Okay. Second one is make efficient use for research. They provide solution for various business problems. They enable proper use of resources. Third one is useful in minimization. What is useful? They help in minimization, waiting and service cost. Fourth one is useful in decision making for management. They enable the management to decide when to buy and how much to buy. Okay, when to buy and how much to buy. They assist in choosing an optimum strategy. Fifth one is a useful in optimum research allocation. They render greater help in optimum research allocation. They facilitate the process of decision making. Okay. Next one is a linear programming problem. Means LPP. LPP means linear programming problem. Okay, what is a linear programming problem? The term linear is used to describe the proportionate relationship of two or more variables in model. The given change in one variable will always cause a resulting proportional change in another variable. The word programming is used to specify a sort of planning that involves the economic allocation of limited resources by adopting a particular course of action or strategy among various alternative strategies to achieve the desired objective. Okay. Hence, linear programming is a mathematical technique for optimum allocation of limited or scarce resources such as labor, material, machine, money, energy. Okay. Linear programming problem means a linear programming problem consists of a linear function to be maximized or minimized subject to certain constraint in the form of linear equation or inequalities. The linear programming gives technique for choosing the best alternative form or set a feasible alternative in situation in which the objective function as well as the constant can be expressed as linear mathematical function. In order to apply linear programming, certain requirements have to be met. These are discussed. First, there should be an objective which should be clearly identifiable and measurable. In quantitative terms, it could be, for example, maximization of sales or profit, minimization of cost. A linear programming problem means maximization of sales, maximization of profit and minimization of cost, so on. Okay. The activity to be included should be distinctly identifiable and measurable in quantitative term form. Instant for product include in a production planning problem. Okay, the research of the system which are to be allocated for the attainment of the goals should also be identifiable and measurable quantitatively. There must be a limited supply. The techniques would involve allocation of these resources in a manner that would trade off the return on the investment of the resource for the attainment of the objective. The relationship representing the objective as also the limitation considerations represented by the objective function and the constant equation or inequalities respectively must be linear nature. Okay, there should be a series of feasible alternative course action available to the decision makers which are determined by the resource constraint. When these stated conditions are satisfied in a given situation, the problem can be expressed in algebraic form called a linear programming problem, means LPP, and then solve for optimal decision. Okay. Second one is general mathematical problem of linear programming problem. General mathematical model of linear programming problem. Okay, the general linear programming problem or model within decision variable and constant can be stated as in the following. Find the value of decision variable x1 dot x2 comma x dot xn so as to optimize maximum or minimum. Okay, z is equal to c1 x1 plus c2 x2 plus dot cn and xn subject to the linear constraint. Okay, a11 and x1 plus a12 x2 plus dot a1 n into xn. Okay, am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus dot amn xyn. Okay, the above formulation can be expressed in compact for using summation signs.